Hello. In this video, we will show how to install a breather vent on a PMP 450M access point. The breather vent is an optional accessory which may be installed on both 3 GHz and 5 GHz band PMP 450M access points where needed. The vent provides additional pressure relief for enhanced protection against water ingress under extreme atmospheric conditions. The breather vent is supplied in the form of a kit, with the required sealing gasket pre-installed. A pack of 10 vent kits can be ordered using the part number shown here. The vent may be installed in any unused Ethernet or SFP port location. Typically, this will be either an SFP port or the aux port, although for some 3 GHz band installations, the main port may also be available. First, select a suitable port for the installation. For this video, we will install the breather in the SFP2 port on a 3 GHz band 450M access point. Remove the existing sealing plug from the threaded hole in the housing using a suitable screwdriver. Thread the breather vent into the hole and tighten it to 5 Nm, equivalent to 3.69 pound-feet, using a 27 mm wrench. A torque wrench is optional but recommended. The installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.